Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your forward edge transmission fluid. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a completely level surface. This is crucial for an accurate fluid level reading. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a 14mm wrench, a clean funnel, and a suitable drain pan. Always refer to your forward edge owner's manual to confirm the specific type of transmission fluid recommended for your model. Before checking, drive your forward edge for approximately 10 minutes to bring the transmission fluid to its proper operating temperature. Once warmed, safely raise your vehicle using jack stands and remove the underbody splash shield to gain access. Now, locate the transmission fill plug. It's typically a 14mm bolt found on the side of the transmission, often to the left of the axle. With the engine still idling and in park, carefully remove the 14mm fill plug. The transmission fluid level is considered correct if the fluid is at the very bottom edge of this fill hole. You should observe a small, steady drip of fluid slowly coming out. If no fluid drips out, or if it flows out rapidly, the level needs adjustment. If your fluid level is low, use a long funnel to slowly add the correct transmission fluid through the fill hole until it just begins to drip out. Once the level is accurate, reinstall the fill plug and tighten it to 71 inch-pounds. Finally, replace the splash shield, lower your vehicle, and remember to dispose of any old transmission fluid responsibly at an approved recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.